Hello everyone. Today we are going to read some action words, also known as verbs. So let us begin. First action word is run. R-U-N, run. R-U-N, run. Dance. D-A-N-C-E, dance. D-A-N-C-E, dance. Walk. W-A-L-K, walk. W-A-L-K, walk. Laugh. L-A-U-G-H, laugh. L-A-U-G-H, laugh. Next action word is jump. J-U-M-P, jump. J-U-M-P, jump. Play. P-L-A-Y, play. P-L-A-Y, play. Drink. D-R-I-N-K, drink. D-R-I-N-K, drink. Next action verb is write. W-R-I-T-E, write. W-R-I-T-E, write. Read. R-E-A-D, read. R-E-A-D, read. Next action word is think. T-H-I-N-K, think. T-H-I-N-K, think. Cry. C-R-Y, cry. C-R-Y, cry. Clap. C-L-A-P, clap. C-L-A-P, clap. Sing. S-I-N-G, sing. S-I-N-G, sing. Next action word is eat. E-A-T, eat. E-A-T, eat. Cook. C-O-O-K, cook. C-O-O-K, cook. Climb. C-L-I-M-B, climb. C-L-I-M-B, climb. Throw. T-H-R-O-W, throw. T-H-R-O-W, throw. Catch. C-A-T-C-H, catch. C-A-T-C-H, catch. Next action word is hop. H-O-P, hop. H-O-P, hop. Talk. T-A-L-K, talk. T-A-L-K, talk. Teach. T-E-A-C-H, teach. T-E-A-C-H, teach. Swim. S-W-I-M, swim. S-W-I-M, swim. Sleep. S-L-E-E-P, sleep. S-L-E-E-P, sleep. Last action word is ride. R-I-D-E, ride. R-I-D-E, ride. So friends, today we read some action words. Now read these action words again and write in your notebook neatly. Then learn these action words. Thank you.